5x equal 35 and x product by y equal 1, then y equal space. First 5 times x equals 35, then x equal 7, because 5 times 7 is 35, and they tell us x product by y equal 1, then y will be multiplicative inverse of 7, it will be 1 over 7, because 7 times 1 over 7 it will be 1, then y will be 1 over 7. It's multiplicative inverse of 7, 1 over 7. Okay. Question number 2. The median of 24 and 20, 11, 36, 40. We must arrange all values here ascending or descending order, then choose the number lies in the middle. First number 11 and next 20, 24, 11, 20, 24, 36 and 40. Then the median here it will be 24. Next question number 3. Question number 3. The set of 8, 9 and 10 union of the set of this interval. Okay, union to the interval 8 and 10, it will be equal what? We must add the point 8 here about closed this interval. We must close this interval because we have 8 and 10 interval in the number line. 8 and 10 towards a point. Okay, if we put 8 here it will be closed, and 9 and 10 here, then we will close 8 and 10, then inverse will be interval from 8 and 10 it will be closed. Choose letter B. Question number 4. F equal set of -1 and 2 satisfies the relations 3x plus k y equals 7, then k equal. We have the point, it's a point, okay, -1 and 2, it's not the brackets. Okay, we have here parenthesis, the order of -1 and 2 satisfies the relation 3x plus k y equals 7. Then we can put x equal -1 and y equal 2 in this relation to find the value of k. Put x here, -1 times 3 equal -3, plus 2 times k, it will be 2k equals 7. Then 2k equal, we must move -3 to right hand side, 7 plus 3, then 2k equal 10, and then you can divide it by 2, then k here, the value of it equal 5. Understood? Next question number 6. The solution set of the equation x product by the difference between x power 2 and 1 equals 0 in R. We know if x equals 0 or x power 2 minus 1 equals 0, the product between them equals 0. The first solution and second solution here, x power 2 minus 1 equals 0, we must factorize this term and this term and this expression. We will write x by x power 2 and 1 by 1 equal 1, and write negative and positive. Then here if x equal 1 or x equal -1, then the solution set here 0 and 1 and -1. Solution about question number 6. Question number 2 covers the following. Number 1, the slope of any line parallel to x-axis. If we have any straight line parallel to x-axis, the slope here it will be 0. The result will be 0 because the slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then the slope here it will be equal 0. In a straight line parallel to x-axis, the slope will be equal 0. Question number 2, the volume of cube equal 64 cubic centimeter. Then its each length it will be cubic root of 64, it will be 4 centimeter. Question 3. If the lower limit of a set is 40 and the upper limit 80, then the center will be 40 plus 80 divided by 2. We can add two numbers and divide the result by 2. 80 plus 40, right, 0, and 8 plus 4 equal 12. 120 divided by 2, it will be 60. The center here, it will be 60. Question number 4. If root x equal root 2 plus 1, then x power 2 equal 1. We can solve this equation by put power 2 to left hand side and right hand side. Here, square root x power 2 equal root 2 plus 1 or power 2. And then root x power 2, it will be x, and root 2 power 2, it will be 2, and 1 power 2, it will be 1. And the middle term here, we can find it by product 2 by 1 by root 2. Result will be 2 root 2. Then the value of x will be 2 plus 1, using commutative properties here. 2 plus 1 equal 3, and write 2 root 2 behind it, the value of x here. Okay, you want to find x again in this example, question number 4. If we have root x equal root 2 plus 1, you want to find x power 2. First step, we can find root x power 2 here, root 2 plus 1, then the result will be x equal root 2 power 2, it will be 2, 1 power 2, it will be 1. The middle term here, we can find it by product 2 by 1 by root 2, it will be 2 root 2. And then x will be 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3 plus 2 root 2. And then you want to find x power 2, we can write 3 plus 2 root 2 whole power 2. Then x power 2, 3 power 2, it will be 9. And root 2 whole power 2 here, and 2 times 3 times 2 root 2. We can find 2 times 3 times 2 here, and 2 root 2. Simplest will be 9 plus 2 times 3, 6 plus 2 equal 12 root 2. 2 power 2, 4 times root 2 power 2, it will be 2. 2 times 4 equal 8. Okay, write 8 here. And then we can simplify it using commutative properties. 9 plus 8 will be 17 plus 12 root 2. Then the value of x power 2. Okay. Next, question number 5. If the mode of set values 15, 9, x plus 1, 9, 15 is 9, then x will be what? We know the mode refers to the number which is the most repeating. It's meaning this term x plus 1 will be equal 50 equal 9, because 9 is the mode. Then x here must be equal 8. About question number 5, x will be 8. Question number 6. We have 3a power 2 b product by 4a power 2 b power 3 p power 3. Okay, we can product them. 3 times 4, it will be 12. E power 2 times e power 2, it will be e power 4. B times p power 3, it will be p power 4. It's the result about question 6. Next question. Question 3, letter A. You give us x equal root 3 subtract by root 2, and give us y equal 1 over root 3 minus root 2 by product conjugate about the numerator root 3 plus root 2, and here root 3 plus root 2. Then y will be equal root 3 times root 3 equal 3, and root 2 times root 2, it will be 2, and then write root 3 plus root 2 in numerator. Then the result will be root 3 plus root 2 over 1. Then the value of y equal root 3 plus root 2 is the value of y. You want to find the sum of x and y. X here root 3 minus root 2 plus y root 3 plus root 2. Then we can cancel root 2 by Negative root 2, using commutative and associative properties, root 3 part root 3, it will be 2 root 3. It's the value of the sum of x and y. Next question, letter B. Find the slope of the straight line EP, where E equals the point here of E equals 1 and 3, and B equal 2 and 5, is the point C 8 and 1, falling to straight line EP. You want to find the slope of EP, give us E and B. Is the point C? The next question, is this point lying or not? First we can find the slope of straight line EP here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have x and y, and here x and y, x1 y1 and y2 x2 here, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3 over 2 minus 1, 5 minus 3 equal 2, and 2 minus 1 it will be 3, then the slope here it will be 2 3. He want to know if the point C falling to or not falling to a straight line. Okay, first step, we can find the slope of, if we found the slope of EC equal 2 or 3, then it's point C falling to a straight line. Okay, then the next step, we can find the slope of EC, E and C here, 3 minus 1 over negative 1 minus 8. 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus negative 1 minus negative 8 will be negative 9. It's not equality. Slope of AB not equal to slope of AC. Then the point C not falling to straight line AB. Not falling to, because the slope of EC not equal the slope of EB. Understood? You want to know this point falling to or not. We can find the slope of EC and EB, or EC and CB. You can find the slope of CB, 1 minus 5 negative 4, 1 minus 5 negative 4, 8 minus 2 equals 6. It will be negative 2 over 3. And the slope of EP, 5 minus 3 equal 2, and 2 minus 2 it will be 3. The result will be here 2 or 3. Then the slope of EC will be 3 minus 1 equal 2, and negative 1 minus 8 negative 9, not equal the slope. And the slope of CP will be 5 or 1 minus 5 negative 4, and 8 minus 2 6, it will be negative 2 over 3, not equal the slope. We haven't slope here equality. Then the point C not falling to, then we can write here no. Is the point C falling to straight line AB? No, because the slope of M here reverses to the slope. Okay, slope of EB not equal slope of AC. Question number 4, letter A. Find the solution set of the equality negative 1 less than 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 in R. First step, we must cancel negative 3 here by add the additive inverse of negative 3. Write negative 1 plus 3 less than 2x minus 3 plus 3 less than or equal to 5 plus 3. The result here will be 2 less than, cancel two numbers, the result will be 2x less than or equal to 5 plus 3, 8, and then next step divided by 2, here 1, 2x divided by 2 it will be x less than or equal to 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And then we can do here 1 and 4, opened here and closed. This is the interval. Then the solution set will be 1 opened and 4 closed. This is the interval and you want to present the number line here. Okay, solution set about this example. Next question, find the arithmetic means of the following frequency distribution here. Okay, we can find table, there is a tables here for vertical right here x and k, the middle between them x, the interval here x sits and k, we can find here sits and x, this is here 10 to 30, 50, 70 and 90. It's the interval. Okay, 10 plus 30 40, 40 divided by 220, 30 plus 50 40, 20. Okay, 40 60 80 100, and k here 4 6 8 7 and 5. 20 times 4, we can find the product between k and x. 20 times 4 80, 4 times 60, 4 times 6 equal 24, 6 times 8 equal 48 and write 0, 7 times 8 equal 56 and write 0, 5 times 100 it will be 500, and then we can find the arithmetic mean. Sum of all values divides the number. 80 plus 40 240. Okay, be attention with me. Write 80 plus 240 plus 480 plus 560 plus 500 equal 1860. 1860 divided number 1 2 3 4 5. The sum of k here 4 plus 6, we have the total here 30. The difference, the division will be 62. Okay, the sum of x product by k over sum of k, it's meaning x bar or the mean. Last question, find the volume of cuboid dimension 532. We can find the volume by product length by width by height. We have 5 times 3 times 2, 5 times 3 15 times 2, it will be 30 cubic centimeters, the volume. Okay,